Physics in Brief presents, How to Prepare for JEE Without Coaching Classes. Step 1. Strategize. Planning before executing always produces best results. This includes dividing the entire syllabus into small sections, and these small sections into even smaller sections. Create hourly and daily goals, and reward yourself on fulfilling it. This reward doesn't mean something fancy. Keep it simple, but do reward yourself. Another thing to do daily is to solve numerical problems. This helps you to enhance problem-solving speed, and, in the long run, you will surely notice it. Figure out important sections, and finish it first. Have a look at previous papers, and figure out which sections are the most important, and finish it first. This will provide you the confidence, which will make a huge difference. Step 2. Enroll at Physics in Brief for free. Enrolling at Physics in Brief ensures that you can access high-quality study materials and lessons for free, with in-depth explanation of all topics, and shortcut tips and tricks. You can also give weekly tests, monthly tests, assignments, and mock tests for free. We also offer doubt clearance support through Ask Questions section, and revision notes after completion of each lessons. So what are you waiting for? Visit physicsinbrief.com and enroll to our free courses now, and get the impetus to boost your rank. All the best.